So the 7th round has been completed. Next, let's crochet the 8th round. The 8th round is 1 chain stitch, 2 single crochets, 1 increase, 2 single crochets. Repeated 6 times, then a slip stitch. After the 8th round, there will be 36 single crochets, 36 stitches. Let's crochet. Crochet a chain stitch, crochet 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the second stitch. Next, crochet an increase. Okay, crochet 1 single crochet in the 4th stitch. 1 single crochet in the 5th stitch. Follow this pattern, 2 single crochets, 1 increase, 2 single crochets. Repeat it 6 times. Let's crochet the second set. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Okay, then crochet 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet. Note that between 2 increases there are 4 stitches in between. So the pattern for this round is an increase every 4 stitches. Nova sisters, please don't mistake it for increasing every 2 stitches. This round adds 6 stitches compared to the 7th round, resulting in 36 stitches after the 8th round. Okay, so the 8th round is now done. Crochet a slip stitch. Next, rounds 9 to 11. There are 36 single crochets. Crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch. Let's demonstrate the 9th round. Everyone can crochet rounds 10 and 11 by themselves. This round also has no increases. Only 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, the 9th round is now done. Next, rounds 10 and 11. Everyone crochet them by yourselves.